Welcome everybody to Cooking with CJ. Today we are making white lasagna. Alright, it's just new, it's a new take on lasagna. I saw it was inspired by another cooking channel, Cooking with Tovia. I'll put his link down below. I saw what he did, I want to try it too, do my little spin on it. So that's it. Alright guys, welcome back. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, thanks for stopping by, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it, you get all the alerts we're doing here. Okay? So, like I said, it was inspired by Tovia. I liked what he was doing. I'm going to do my take on it. We're going to do chicken thighs instead of chicken breasts. I have some bacon in it instead of mushrooms. Because, you know, I'm going to put bacon in it. Alright, so I'm going to take you over here so you can see me chopping up with my knife. Y'all know the meathead knife, right? Link below. My affiliate link. I'm getting paid for these bad boys now. Alright, so make sure you buy one. Alright, so come on over here. Start chopping. Then we'll get on the stove. Do the dang thing. Up next, you'll see the finished product. Then you'll see the ingredients list. And then you'll see how we put it all together. And then we'll do a taste test. You know how we do. Alright, come on back.
Alright guys, it's fresh out of the oven. The white lasagna. Looking a little golden brown.
Alright guys, we're back. We're going to start working on these shallots. We're going to do the shallots. We're going to cut up the garlic, cut up the chicken, cut up the bacon, and then we'll get it over on the stove. Alright guys, these are nice and diced up. Alright guys, we're going to start working on a couple garlic cloves for this. Mince it up. Alright guys, the garlic and our shallots are chopped up. I'm going to start working on these chicken thighs. I'm going to cut off some of these pieces with the fat on it. I don't want fatty chicken in this lasagna. So I'm going to cut up just nice little strips in it. Alright, I'm going to get all three of these done. And then we'll start working on the bacon. Shallots done, garlic minced up, chicken minced up. Now we're going to cut this bacon into some slices here. Or these slices of bacon into some pieces. We're going to render this down, use the fat, because you know bacon and pork fat makes everything better. Probably only going to use about half of this. Alright, next you're going to be on the stove. Alright, come on back. Alright guys, we're back. We're going to cook these bacon. We got about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in here. We're going to cook the bacon and the chicken most of the way through. And then we're going to add in the onions. And then we're going to add in the garlic at the end, just because I don't want it to burn. Alright guys, we got this about halfway cooked. We're going to add some of the shallots in there. I'd say it's a good half a cup going in. Alright, I'm not going to use all of these. I don't want to overpower it. I'm going to add a little of this chopped garlic in there. Alright guys, we're back. Pretty much everything's cooked through. It doesn't have to be completely done because you know it's going back in the oven for another 40 minutes. But we got what we needed out of the bacon. We got the onions and the garlic rendered down with the bacon. So we're going to add a 1/4 cup of flour in here. Alright. Cook it through for about a minute. You're going to get rid of that raw flour taste. So we got this going for about a minute. Looking pretty good. We're going to add our milk. Little at a time. And we're going to whisk it in. Okay. This milk is more or less, you know, been sitting out for a minute or two to kind of come to room temperature. I'm just going to slowly put it in and let it combine with the flour and the meat. Alright guys, we got this bubbling up where we want it to be. I'm going to turn it down a notch or 4 and add about a good handful of Parmesan in there. So whisk that in. Come on back and we'll build this white lasagna. About ready to build this bad boy up. Got all our cheeses here. Got our semi-Alfredo sauce here with the chicken and the bacon and onions and the garlic. So we're just gonna add these oven-ready sheets of pasta. Yeah, that looks so good. I'm using just a little 9x9 pan. Most people use the 9x13, but I'm just feeding me and my brother tonight. My brother Tyrone Rowan's here. Tony, say hi, Tony.
Hey.
What up? So just me and Tony are eating tonight. Trust me, guys. He's taller, but I got all the looks. He don't want to go on camera. So we're gonna add a little bit of the ricotta, just a little bit here and there. I'm not trying to spread this throughout. Just have little bites of it here and there. Yeah. Looks good to me. Spread it around. Look at that. All right. Okay. Add a little mozz. You got the mozz. All right. It's looking pretty damn good. I poured this stuff in a little gravy boat just to make it a little easier. Spread around. Ooh, that. Delicious. One more little layer of mozz. Before we put it in the oven, we're going to cover it with this sheet of tin foil over here. Put it in the oven for about 25 minutes. Come out here and clean up this mess I've made. And then take it out, take the tin foil off, cook it for another 25 minutes without the tin foil on. And get it all nice and brown and bubbly on top. Guys, I just wanted to see how brown and lovely this looks in the oven. Let's try this bad boy. Oh yeah, that looks good. Tony, what do you think?
It's amazing.
It's amazing. Yeah. I let my brother have a bite before I even got one. That's love right there, boys and girls. Look at that. Got a little bacon, a little of the ricotta, all that mozz, nice pasta cheese. That's freaking good, dude. Well, yeah, damn good. I'm impressed with myself. All right.
Got some skills.
I got some mad skills. So, again, this was influenced by Tovia, Cooking with Tovia. I'll put his link below. Tovia, I think I got a winner here, just like yours was a winner. This is pretty damn good. I'm excited to eat this. I think after this one, I deserve a nice cold beer. Maybe a nice cigar out back. You never know. I appreciate you stopping by. And as always, thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care now.